Hi. Today we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz 250-inch service 2.1-liter diesel or 651 engine. This vehicle has errors in the system due to a malfunctioning DEF heater, but this and other DEF issues will in no way prevent us from performing a software removal of this system. Using this vehicle as an example, we will show you step by step how the installation process of our device looks like. You received a simple OBD module in your package. Now I will show you how to use it. Before installing the device, you need to perform two necessary steps. Fill the AdBlue tank. Charge the battery. To charge the battery, start the engine and wait 30 minutes. Now the car is ready to install our device. Switch on the ignition. To do this, press the engine start button twice without pressing the gas pedal. All lights on the dashboard should illuminate. Wait 20 seconds for the radio to fully load. The OBD diagnostic port is located under the steering column. Install the module here. Press it down to make sure the module sits good in the port. The device is controlled using a trackpad controller wheel. Turn the wheel to switch between menu items and press to confirm. Now, run the script. Step 1. Factory update software and wait for the download to finish. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition. Installation is finished. Unplug the module from the OBD port. Okay, now plug in the module again. Now run the script. Step 2. AdBlue counter reset and wait for the download to finish. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition. Turn off the ignition again. Turn on the ignition again. Installation is finished. Unplug the module from the OBD port. Start the engine 3 times. Check if the starts remain and check engine errors disappear from the instrument cluster. If the errors on the dashboard remain, run step 2 at least 3 more times. If this does not help, do not follow the installation steps and let us know. If there are no errors on the instrument cluster, turn off the engine. Proceed to install step 3. Turn on the ignition, key to position 2 and wait 20 seconds. Plug in the module in the OBD port. In the menu, select Step 3 No AdBlue Software. The name of this script may vary depending on the services you ordered, but always choose Step 3. Wait for the download to complete. Observe the radio screen. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition. Installation is finished. Unplug the module from the OBD port. Start the engine, check to see if everything is okay. You may get a check engine on the dashboard. This is normal. To remove the check engine, the DEF control unit must be disconnected. In the trunk, under the shelf, you will find a fuse box. You need to remove fuse number 451. Now the installation is fully completed. The check engine is gone. You can continue driving without restrictions. You can place an order at OBDTune.com. Please be available. Our manager will contact you to confirm order details within a few hours. You can also ask us questions on WhatsApp or email. Technical support is available on WhatsApp and email only. Links and contacts can be found in the description.